Hi, welcome to Positive Preschool Tips. I'm Cindy. I have a literacy and math activity combined today. It's a really fun little game that you can play with preschoolers that includes a book, plus counting, plus it's hands-on and uses the children interactively with the book and the materials. So this is what I have for you today. So the book I have is How Many Bugs Are in a Box? This is a fun little book. My copy is very well loved. It's been used a lot, but each page has a box on it. So this is how many bugs are in the red box. And you open up the box and there'll be a bug. It starts with 1 and it goes all the way to 10. So each page goes, how many bugs are in the polka dot box? You open that up and there will be 2 bugs in that box, and then 3 bugs, and so on. The children love this because they get to guess. I'll say, well, how many do you think are going to be in the tall box? And they'll guess and come up with all kinds of funny answers. A couple of the pages are really fun. Some of my favorite is I love this floating box. There's a little tab and you pull it open. I'm hoping you can see it, and it kind of comes up like that, which is really sort of fun. I also like the how many bugs are in the thin box. On this page, it looks like it's very thin and there could be hardly any bugs, but you pull it up and up and up and the bugs just keep coming and coming and coming, which is really fun. That's one of my favorites. Now, everything I'm going to show you today, I'm going to have a link in the description box for you to go to click on to get any of the materials that I show you today, including this really cute book. So what I do is I read the book first and we count how many bugs are in each box. Then I let the children have an activity where they get to count how many bugs are going to be in their box. And I just use just a regular old box. This doesn't have to be anything special. But I have a container of bugs, and so I've got there's spiders and there's caterpillars and beetles and all kinds of little bugs in this box. I will have a link to these things as well. And I use a great big die. I have the children roll it across the floor and count how many dots are at the top of the die. So let's say they rolled it and it came up to 4, and so I would have them count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they would count out that many bugs in their box. But the trick is to get a little bit of fine motor skills in there. I have these tongs, which we call the bug pickers, and the children then would pick up a bug, they pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, and drop it into the box and count 1. They get another one, you have to pinch it really tight. 2, 3, 4. Then I have the children use a full sentence and say, I have 4 bugs in my box. And then they pass the box and the bug picker-uppers and the bugs to the next child and the die to the next child. And then the next child takes a turn. What I love about this activity is you get a little bit of literacy with the book. You get a math activity with the counting. You get a little bit of fine motor because they're using those fine motor skills to pinch the bugs out. You're also doing turn taking, waiting for turns, and it's very interactive and it's really fun. When I do this, generally the children want to do it again and again. So it is an activity that you can pull out and they can do again and again. Once you do it with them and they sort of learn how to roll the die and count out the bugs and use that big sentence at the end, then you may be able to just put it out at center time and the children will be able to do it independently. So that's a quick, fun activity. If you're looking for something that will involve literacy and math, this is your activity. So give it a try. Have a great day and have a great preschool day. Bye now.